Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the software ready. Update iPhone and AirPods firmware, then pair the AirPods Pro 2. Once paired, open Control Center and make sure output is set to your AirPods. This routes the translated audio to your ears. Next, open the Translate app and choose the language pair you need. You should set automatic detection if you want the app to switch. Once done, tap Conversation Mode. That's the first actionable step to begin a live, two-way translation session. Now run the live translation. Tap Conversation Mode and place your iPhone where both people can be heard, or use the iPhone speaker for groups. You control how it listens. Enable Auto Translate to detect speech continuously, or press the microphone button for push-to-talk. Make sure your AirPods are selected so translation plays privately. Watch the on-screen transcript to confirm accuracy. If speech is soft, move closer or increase microphone sensitivity. Remember to finish, end the conversation, and save the transcript if you need it for reference. You can copy or share translated lines. If something goes wrong, first check basics. Confirm Bluetooth is on, the AirPods are selected as audio output, and volume is up. If speech isn't detected, move the iPhone microphone closer or toggle Auto Translate. For persistent problems, restart the iPhone and AirPods. If that fails, reset the AirPods Pro 2 and repair. That fix solves most routing or firmware glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.